Hi there. So I think that spring has finally sprung. It is a little bit late. It's already May, and I have still been wearing my cashmere, even even into May, all the way through April. It got really chilly. So I think it's finally safe. I'm cautiously optimistic to launder and rinse and wash and make sure that all my cashmere is nice and safe for the summer. So I thought you might like to see how I'm going to wash it and block it today. Also, I have a scarf that I've just knit, and so it needs blocking as well. Here's my lovely bathroom. One good thing about blocking is that it forces me to clean my sink, so that's what I did first. And here is my cashmere shawl or scarf that I'm going to wash and block. Here is my scarf. I'm going to use my mixing bowl and soak it in there. And the soak that I'm using today is called Eucalan, and it's the lavender scent, which is really nice. They also have a pink grapefruit that I love. You want it to feel as though it's room temperature, so when you touch your hand on it, it just feels exactly like room temperature. That's good. Okay, we'll let that fill up, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of Eucalan to the mix. On the bottle it says to soak your piece for 15 minutes minimum, and I am going to go ahead and soak this cashmere because I've worn it, several times, and it's been out in the environment, soaking up all sorts of lovely aromas. Okay, so we'll just leave that there. And I'll also submerge the scarf in here, but this scarf is brand new. I've just knitted it, so we do not need to soak it that long, maybe about 5 minutes. It's certainly plenty. We're just giving it like a protective layer, almost like we're scotch guarding our knitting. I'm squeezing out all the excess water. It's important not to wring or twist the work too much, but you can see I'm squeezing it pretty hard. That's good enough. Just get all the drips out. I'm wrapping up the towel. Wrap it over a few times, and then step, 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 just like you're crushing grapes. Do the scarf blocking dance. And that really takes most of the water out of the piece. So you can see I used my bed, and I used these blocking mats from Cocoa Knits and laid out the scarf. It's just a little bit longer than 5 feet. For more knitting tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you loved this video, I'd be so appreciative if you'd share it with a friend. Have a great day. Bye.